Hey everyone! Do you struggle with being consistent and keeping up good habits like exercising, reading or meditating? I've got a super simple trick today that takes habits from a chore to an effortless routine. I tried it myself and I'm excited to share it with you all. First, let's talk about why habits matter. The truth is, our daily habits end up shaping our lives. Just by making little positive changes, we can work towards big goals like losing weight, learning new skills or being more productive. But we all know how hard it can be to actually stick to habits. Today I'm going to give you the inside scoop on a proven strategy that can make habit formation easy. It took my healthy routine from crashing after a few weeks to just being a normal part of my day. Here it is. The one simple trick is to tie your new habit to an existing habit. For example, if you want to start reading more, do it right after your morning tea, which you have every day. Just piggyback the new habit onto a consistent old one. This builds in an automatic trigger so you don't even need willpower. I started doing yoga after my shower and now I never skip it. This small tweak changed the game. Science says it can boost your habit success rates from 40% to over 90%. Now, the key is to choose the right established habit to link it to. Make sure it's something you already do daily without fail. It also really helps if the two habits happen at the same location one after the other. Like drinking tea in the kitchen and then reading in the same spot. This spatial consistency can ingrain the pattern faster. For bonus points, stack multiple new habits together at one time. After my post-shower yoga, I do 10 push-ups right there in the bathroom. Now it's become an automatic combo I can rely on. So give it a try and let me know how it goes. Tell me in the comments what habit you'll try to stick to using this method. That wraps up the simplest trick ever to master your habits. Just attach to your existing routine and reap the benefits. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more simple productivity and self-improvement tips.